There's one object that sits quietly in the corner of almost every building. Bright red, a little dusty, easy to overlook. But in an emergency, it can be the difference between disaster and safety. The fire extinguisher, you've seen it. You've probably walked past it hundreds of times. But have you ever wondered what's actually inside? Let's find out. Not all fire extinguishers are created equal. Some are filled with water, others with foam, some shoot out gas. But the most common one, the ABC dry chemical extinguisher, is a little marvel of engineering. Inside, it holds a fine yellow powder called monoammonium phosphate. It may sound like something from a chemistry lab, and well, it is. This powder is designed to smother fire. When it hits flames, it melts and forms a coating that seals off oxygen, and without oxygen, the fire dies. But how does the powder or gas get out? Here's the clever part. Inside the metal canister is a pocket of compressed nitrogen gas. It's under serious pressure, waiting for the moment you pull the pin and squeeze the handle. Now, this valve releases the built up pressure inside, which starts to pull the dry chemical powder in the bottom. No batteries, no motor, just pure pressure and precision. And then, this powder is then sucked up a siphon tube as the pressure propels it to the very top. When it's released, it turns instantly into a cloud of cold gas. So cold, it can frost the nozzle. So fast, it chokes the fire by pushing oxygen out of the way. It's clean, it's quiet, and it leaves no mess behind. Different fires, different tools. But the goal is always the same: stop the fire before it spreads. So the next time you see a fire extinguisher, remember, it's not just a red can on the wall, it's a powerful machine filled with chemistry, pressure, and purpose, ready to protect you when seconds count.